Hello mga keme, I am your tips body chicken for today's video. Bibigyan ko naman kayo ng tips on how to make your simple ampalaya into something special na even your kids ay magugustuhan. No? So before we proceed, papakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung mga ilan sa kanya mga napakaraming health benefits. No? So sundan natin yung video na ito. Bittermelon is linked to lowering the body's blood sugar. This is because bittermelon has the properties that act like insulin, which helps bring glucose into the cells for energy. It can help our cells to utilize glucose and move it to our liver, muscles, and fat. Bittermelon may also be able to help our body retain nutrients by blocking their conversion to glucose that ends up in your bloodstream. As a fruit that also has a properties of vegetables, bittermelon contains a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has been recognized by many cultures as having medical value. Some of its nutritional benefits include vitamin C, A, E, B2, B3, and B9, minerals like potassium, calcium, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, antioxidants like phenols, flavonoids, and others.
Thousand years later. 2,000 years later.
Oh my